Hey, how's it going? So today we are unboxing Wavelink USB Ultra 5K Universal Docking Station. Alright, this is everything that it has, all the ports. Here's the front. Okay, 5K, supports DisplayPort, USB Type-C connection, has a Gigabit Ethernet, and supports both Mac and Windows. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this open here. Come on. All right. Okay, here we go. So we'll take it out of the box. All right, look at this thing. Look at the size of that. Okay, so on the back side we have the power, the DC plug, the Giga LAN, HDMI, display port for display 1, and then for display 2 we have another HDMI and display port, and this is what you need for 5K, of course. USB 3.0, USB 3.0, and the Type-C in. All right. So I have a Mac, and that's why I will be using this. So I can do dual monitors. There you go, right there. So you have the mic and an earphone jack. Some more USB-Cs right here. And here's the power button. So basically this is the front of the device. And then here's the top and then nice and badging. Okay, let's see. I doubt this would charge with the USB-C in, but let's see what happens. Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, you have to get the plug-in. Okay, so let's put this over here. See what else we have in the box here. We have the Type-C cable, C to C, USB to C, like some downloading drivers. Here's the manual. It's kind of like a product registration card. And this should be the power. Yep, here's the power. The power brick. I'll put this here so I can throw away the box faster. So, since I will do one more test. So, what I had plugged in was just USB, just a plain USB type to Type-C that went into here. So, I'm gonna test. So this is Type-C and Type-C cord from the computer. So let's see if that will charge it or anything. Of course not. Okay. Well, you know how certain monitors could run power through the Type-C. So I was hoping this would run power through Type-C, so you could charge this whole thing using this, but it doesn't. Okay, well, that's about it. As you can see, it's a beautiful device, very small. Gives you all the ports that you need. I mean, who really needs this much USB ports? But it's nice that you have it. It's better to have and not need than to need and not have it, right? Okay. If you have any questions, comments, leave it below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Again, this is the Wavelink display port, goes up to 5K, and this is the USB Type-C docking station.